Hello, my name's Kevin. I'm the owner of LKW Campers. This is the instructional handover video to help you understand the camper that you've just bought. We're going to go through each feature step by step and make it easy for you on your first camping trip. So to start off with, this is the power management system. So you have the button here that turns the lights on, and these are all touch frame. If you have a Monte Carlo, you'll have an ambient light set. So this is a strip of lighting in here, and it also lights up inside the cupboards. Down here is the water pump. So when you're going to use your tap in the sink, you turn that on and you've got power to pour the water in. Over here, you have the level of water that you have in the tank, and this is the strength of your leisure battery, so you can see if your leisure battery needs charging. This one you don't have to worry about. You've got USB connectors here so you can charge your devices. This is the diesel heater. So you turn it on here, you set the temperature that you want, and then press it, and it will eventually come on and be blowing air into the temperature that you've set. This is your butane 907 gas bottle that you need to run your cooker and grill. You can rent these from your local gas company, and you take it back when it's empty and they will give you a refill. I'm now going to show you how it fits inside the vehicle. You just undo the two clips that hold the gas cover in place. You then put the bottle here and connect it to the regulator. That's now connected, and to turn it on you just need to screw this piece upwards. So to use the hob, you lift the glass cover up. You turn the control to the first setting and hold it down so you can hear the gas, and then you press the igniter. You've then got the other one there which ignites from exactly the same place, so it's the same principle. This is where the sink is located, and once you've turned the water pump on here, you just lift this and that will activate the pump to bring water into the sink. If you've got a Monte Carlo model, you will have the grill. Pull this cover down, you pull out the heat shield so you don't burn the units up here, and you do exactly the same as you did with the grill. You turn it to its first position, hold it, and then ignite it, and just watch the flame. When you're grilling, don't put the door up, make sure you leave it down. The fridge is located underneath the sink and the hob. You just pull the lever up and swing the door open, and the control here turns it on and off, so you set the temperature you want. When you finish with it, there's two holes in the top so you can vent it. So you can put it in the first hole, which leaves it unclosed so you don't go mouldy, or you can go to the second one and close it completely. To put the pop top up, you release the straps that are connected here in these crocodile type clips. So you just release them and then just give the roof a push. It's on gas strut, so it just rises. Once the pop-top roof is up, all you do is push the bed platform up. It's on gas strut, so it easily goes into the space. You've got these side windows here, which you can then open the covering from. They are perspex, but it does give you light. You can now walk up and down the vehicle without hitting your head on the roof. When you're going to close the roof up, you pull the bed platform down first. Just make sure you don't hit yourself on the head. So a standard feature on our bed platforms is a safety net. So it keeps your children from falling out, and it obviously stops your pillows coming out as well. And it just clips up on the top where the pull down handles are. To swivel the passenger seat, you need to put the vehicle in reverse gear so it doesn't roll anywhere, and you need to take the handbrake off because the swivel won't go across the handbrake. So once you've secured your vehicle, you undo these two bolts which are down here, and there's little pegs that pull through a slot to stop them falling back down again, and there's two identical ones in the front that you have to do also. So you position the seat as far right as it will go. You then just push it forwards. It always goes clockwise both ways, that when you turn it, so when you're closing it, it also goes clockwise. Just push it past the door pillar, and then with your knee you're just pushing it forward and turning it at the same time. and that's now round. Underneath this front seat is storage, which just lifts up here and cantilevers over. You obviously need to put some plastic because it's a grease plate that it rotates on. Also in here is your toolkit, and it's got a locking nut in the front compartment and all the tools you'll need if you get a puncture in there. So it fits neatly in the space here. To put the bed down, you press this lever here and you'll feel it break. Just pull it slightly on this panel. Don't use that panel to pull it out because you will just pull that off. Get your hands in behind the base of the seat and pull it towards the front. Just keep an eye on your seat belts. And when it gets to this point, you're just going to put your weight on it and push it down. It's now locked down. You just put your seatbelt ends tucked away between the seats.